Say loudly, your voice not coming.
Good.
Okay. أعوذ
A'udhu
بالله
billahi
من الشيطان
minash shaitanir. Hey, mommy, I can't see all the
من
others
الشيطان
now. I can't see it.
من الشيطان
Minash shaitanir.
الرجيم.
Oh, never Jean.
بسم الله
Bismillah.
الرحمن
Hey, Mama, don't stay. Don't go out. Don't go out. Okay, don't go out. Why are you scared? Light is
الر-
open.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. بسم الله
Bismillah.
الرحمن
Rahman.
الرحيم.
Rahim.
يا الحمد
Alhamdu.
لله
Lillahi.
رب العالمين
Rabbil Alameen.
الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah. Wait, I'll go ask my mom, please.
Read الرحمن الرحيم.
Can I go drink water?
No. Why you not drink before the class? الرحمن الرحيم.
I can't see. I can't focus the clock because of these on the way. I can't.
Drink and come quick.
Okay. That's better.
Yeah, recite from here. Read.
I
Read.
can't read it. Sorry, I can't. No.
Read quickly. Yesterday you promised me.
Oh. Noon. Yeah. I think.
This one, this with two dots on top, then two dots in bottom, then this letter.
Yeah. Noon.
Very good. This one, quickly finish it. So you will go early.
Yeah.
Hmm.
And the.
Yeah,
I
then
think in
three
sa
dots. Sa, yeah.
and noon.
Very good. Then
Ba.
ba,
Sa
yeah,
and noon.
yeah. Then next one.
Jim.
Then,
Ha.
then,
Kho.
then
Ha. Da.
ha,
Ha. Da.
ta not. There is three dots. Look at the dots.
Ha. Sa. Ha.
Then
Sa.
next.
Jim. Ba.
Gym dot have come. Gym dot comes in down in bottom. There is dot on
Oh.
top. Which
Oh.
letter
I
is this?
forgot. Oh, I'm sorry. Kho. Ba.
Yeah. Next one.
And Bata.
Ba not. Look at the letter.
Oh, Jim. Da. I
Next.
think.
Yeah, Jim Ta is right. Now next one.
Um. Da. Ha. No. Da. Ha. Da.
Next.
Um. Raw. I
What?
think. I think. I'm sorry. Yeah.
Yeah, good.
Jim. Ba.
Yeah, next one.
And ba. Kho. And da. And da. Ha. Ba. Ha.
Ha not. Two dots on top. Like look like this letter.
Bata.
Bata. Then
I can't see it.
now
Yeah, I can. Yeah. And ha.
next.
Da. And
Two dots, two dots. One of ta,
da.
second is what?
Da.
Ta. Yeah, next.
Da. Da. And noon. Ha.
Noon ha. Good. This one.
Ha. And yeah. Ha. Ba.
Yeah, what is the first kalima? La ilaha
Yeah. La ilaha
illallahu
illallah
Muhammadur
Muhammadu
Rasulullah.
Rasulullah
Rasulullah.
Rasulullah.
La
La
ilaha
ilaha
illallahu
illallahu
Muhammadur
Muhammadu
Rasulullah.
Rasulullah.
Yeah, now come to the next one after break. Read it.
Um, uh, this one is
One dot for what? In bottom.
Baha Alif.
Baha. Alif. Good. Next one. Finish this page today.
Oh, okay. Ba Ha Mim Dal Zal Jim Lam.
Jim Dal. Lam
Oh, I
not.
forgot Jim.
Yeah,
Jim
this
Dal.
dal, when it will join with any letter, then the shape will be changed like it, okay? Little bit.
Yeah.
This is joining condition of dal. Now come to the next one.
Um.
Yeah, read.
This one is um Kha and
Oh,
Zal
yeah, next.
Ra
Yeah,
Za
yeah, okay, good.
Ra Jin
Jim,
Ra.
Jim raw.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I already said it.
yeah.
And um um Kha in Za.
Good.
Uh, um Ya Ra. Um Da Za. Sin Shin and Sin,
Hmm.
Lam,
Yeah, good.
Shim, Lam, Sod, Dod, Dua, Dua, Ein, Rain. I think
Ein Jim.
Ein, Jim, Oin, Ha. Okay. Ba, Ba, Ein, In, Ja, Oin,
Yeah, yeah, Ghain.
Oin,
Yeah, next.
In, In, Ba.
Yeah, Ba.
Who's that shouting?
This is what?
Um,
This is what? When it will come in the mid, then the shape will be little bit changed. This is
Ein,
the and
Ein,
yeah, this is
Ein,
the ending shape of Ain. This is the
Num,
separate
Num,
shape of Ain, and this
Num,
is Lam. No, this is what
Num,
I told you.
Num,
In first line, I told you
um,
which letter is this?
Dal, Dal,
Yeah, yeah, Ba Ain
Dal,
and Dal. Yeah, Ba Ain Dal. Say
Ba, Ein, Da.
yeah. Next,
Da, Oin, Zal. Um, Kaf,
no.
I think Fa,
I think why you are not confident. This is cough. What is it?
Kaf.
Yeah, this is Fa. Fa is in flat
Oh, I'm sorry.
condition, and
I'm
cough is in
so
round
sorry.
condition.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I'll focus the class from now
Okay.
on. Fa,
Yeah, this is what?
Fa.
Yeah, this one.
This is golf.
Yeah, this one.
Both same. In row, da.
No. Two dots. Look at this. Same thing. Look at the
Oh,
shape and judge.
calf, calf,
Cough, cough, not calf. Cough,
cough, lam,
shape.
caw, fa,
Yeah,
wow,
yeah.
cough, wow, noon, and da.
No ta. Look at the shape. Round. It's round and two dots. Look at the top one letter. Before it, above it. Is it same or not? Two dots, two dots.
Cough, cough, cough.
Yeah, noon and cough. This is cough. Same thing. It's mid condition of cough. When it will
Wait,
wrote
noon,
in mid.
cough, raw,
Yeah, noon cough
noon,
ra.
cough, raw.
Next.
In yafa, and ra. In ya, and fa, mean, mean. I can't see. I can't see this. How can I
Now.
see it?
Okay, now.
Yeah, I can. Um, this one is. Yeah, I can see. Noon.
No, this one, this.
Oh, um, Hamza and Hamza Alif. Hamza Ya.
No, Hamza.
Hamza Wow. Hamza Ya. Hamza. Seen and
No, first letter is what? In black color.
seen.
Then second.
Lam.
No, seen. Then look at the letter in the mid. What is it?
Fa.
Hamza. 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 Seen. Hamza. In the mid. Hamza. What is it?
Hamza.
Yeah, then.
Lam.
Yeah, good. And what is the dua for sleeping when you want to sleep? Before sleeping,
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
and Allahumma
Allahumma.
bismika
Bismika.
amutu
Amutu.
wa ahya
Wahya.
wa ahya.
Akia.
Did we read this page yesterday?
What? What? No, we didn't.
Okay. This is this chapter name is Muqatta'at. Muqatta'at means the letters of this chapter will read uh, separately every letter in parts, different parts. Okay, every letter. You can see here Alif and Lam and Mim. We call
Islam.
all, yeah, we call all letters now with name by name. Okay, all letters with the name of these letters sounds. Okay, like I may I read for you.
There's only four.
Yeah, there is three letters and there is mud. Top of Lam and Mim. Can you see here these signs called mud? And mud letter will stretch till three or five or seven alif. Got it? This is called
Yeah, I
mud.
got it.
Yeah, there is three
Yeah.
letters. I'm going to read. Alif Lam Mim. Read it.
Um.
Alif Lam Mim. Sing.
Alif Lam Mim.
Yeah, next one is Alif Lam Mim Sad.
Alif Lam Mim. Sword.
Yeah, Sad. Next one is
Sword.
Alif Lam Ra.
Alif Lam Ra.
Yeah. Alif
And
Lam, stretch it.
Alif Lam.
Ra. Alif Lam Ra. Third one.
Alif Lam Ra.
Yeah, third one. And fourth is Alif Lam Mim Ra.
Alif Lam Mim Ra.
Yeah. Then come to the next line. Kaf Ha Ya Ain Sad.
Kaf Ha. Kaf
Stretch
Ha.
it.
Ya. Ain Sword.
Yeah, stretch it.
And
Stretch it. Stretch it.
you have
Kaf Ha Ya Ain
Kaf Ha.
Sad.
Ya.
Follow me after me. Read after me. I'm going to read complete word. Kaf Ha Ya Ain
Ya. Ain
Sad.
Sword.
Now read it.
And
Kaf, Ain, and Sod will stretch till three alif.
Kaf Ain Sword.
Ha and Ya will stretch till one alif because there is standing fatha. So read it. Kaf, stretch it.
Kaf
Ha, Ya,
Ha. Ya.
Ain, Sod.
Toba. Oh, Ein
Ain,
Sword.
yeah,
Ein
yeah. Read it again once. Ha, Kaf,
Kaf.
Ha, Ya,
Haya.
Ain,
Ein
Sod.
Sword.
Yeah, it will read
That
in one breath. Okay, never break your breath during reading these words. Now read the next one. Taha,
Doha.
Taha,
Doha.
Tasim, Mim.
Doshimi.
Yeah, this is not seen. Okay, it will not never read seen. It will read seam. Because the scene joining with meme. Got it? This is
Yeah.
seam, seam. It will read seam, not scene. The scene joining with this meme. So read it. Tasim meme.
Dot so dot
Tasim.
Tosin mean
Not seen. Okay, I'm not saying scene. Not seen. This is seam. In the end,
sim
we'll show the meme or
simi
M sound.
simi
Okay. Now
simi
read Tasin.
Tosin
Yeah, what is it? Yasin.
Yasin
Sad.
Todd
Hamim.
Hobby.
Is it interesting lesson?
Yeah, I got it.
Hamim. Ain. Sin. Qaf. Read,
I'll,
read. Don't
I
touch your nose. Yeah, recite. Hamim.
Hamin
Ain. Sin.
I
Qaf.
see of
Yeah. Hamim. Say again. Hamim.
Hamim
Ain. Sin. Qaf.
I of
Qaf. Say
of
noon.
noon.
Yeah, that's enough for today. Now listen to me. Here is,
What is dope?
yeah,
Olive?
can you see this is not alif now. In this chapter,
What?
in this chapter you will see here is alif with three things on it or in the bottom of it. Okay? The top one it's called fatha. What is it? Say,
Fatha.
yeah, in bottom of alif this is called kasra. And this is what?
Kasra.
Dhamma, like a nine. This is what?
Yeah.
Dhamma.
Yeah.
Fatha, Kasra, Dhamma. Say with me. Fatha, Fatha, Fatha,
Fatha. Fatha.
Fatha, Kasra,
Kasra.
Fatha, Kasra,
Fatha. Kasra.
and Dhamma.
Wama.
Yeah, Kasra and Dhamma. So now it's not Alif. When Alif have Fatha, Kasra, and Dhamma, top of or bottom of Alif, then the name of Alif will be changed. Got it? Now it's
Yeah.
not Alif. This is now Hamza. What is it? Say,
Bam.
this is now
Bam.
Hamza. Say, this is Hamza. What is it?
Hamza.
Yeah.
Hamza.
Yeah. Top of Hamza, this is what? Fatha. Hamza, Fatha, A. What is it?
Hamza. Hata.
A.
Ah. 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 I said ah.
Let me tell you one thing more. I have a special thing for you. Okay?
But can you? I can't see it. How can I see it?
I will show you.
Can
Yeah,
you?
just give me a second. I'm
Can you
op-
show me?
just I'm opening. Just give me a minute.
Okay. Thanks so much.
My pleasure, my friend. By the way,
I need.
by the way,
Wait, I
today you are looking very smart.
yeah. All of the times I'll be smart.
You are very intelligent boy. I didn't
Okay.
see never ever like you in my life.
Oh, hey, inshallah, I'm coming with you in Pakistan. Inshallah, inshallah.
Really? In which city? Which city? Lahore, Karachi, Islamabad,
I'm
Faisalabad.
coming in February. In February.
But
It's
which
not
city?
February.
Which city are you coming in Pakistan?
Um, February.
Okay, okay, okay. That's great. Okay, my friend, this is for you in pink color. It's very good chapter for you. It's
It's cute.
very good, like you. Okay, this is what Hamza Fatha. What is it? Hamza Fatha.
Butter.
Say ah.
Uh,
Say like
uh,
A
uh,
for apple, like ah. Okay, Hamza Fatha ah. Now read Ba Fatha ba. Ba Fatha
butter.
ba.
Ba.
Ta Fatha ta. Sounds
Da.
Ta Fatha ta.
Da.
Yeah, say
Da. Da.
Ta Fatha ta. Say with me.
Da. Butter. Da.
Let me tell you one thing. Look at this. The first one. Hamza, okay? First of all, you will say letter name. Say Hamza.
Hamza.
Then this you will say sound of the symbol of which is top of Hamza. Say the name of this symbol. This this sign, okay? Hamza, then Fatha. Say Hamza, Fatha.
Hamza. Butter.
Then the read the sound which is which is showing after it, which is read after it. After reading Hamza and Fatha, okay, you will get the sound Hamza Fatha
Hamza. Butter.
A.
Ah.
Now look at this then Fatha.
Ba.
Fatha. Say
Ba. Butter.
ba. Say ba. Fatha ba. Say quickly, then you may go. Fatha ba.
Ba. Butter. Ba.
Ta Fatha ta.
Da. Butter. Da.
Ta Fatha sa. Look at the screen, my friend.
Da.
Ta.
Butter. Sa.
Ta Fatha sa.
Sa.
Yeah. Jim Fatha ja. Say
Jim.
Fatha ja.
Butter.
Ja.
Sa.
Ja.
Za.
Yeah, ja. You can ja. You have to leave. Ja means, do you know ja mean in Urdu language? Jao. Okay? You can go. Take care. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is your fantastic holiday weekend. Celebrate, enjoy in your 2 days of weekend. Okay?
Take, take care.
And come
Bye.
in Monday with happiness. Okay?
I'm not doing. I'm not doing Crown Plus tomorrow. On
Yeah,
Monday.
yeah. 2 day you take holiday. Got it? Take care.
Yeah. Take care. Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye
Mommy,
bye.
the teacher.